Did you know that the average American spends over 30% of their income on taxes every year? Taxes are a fact of life for Americans, and understanding how they work can make a significant difference in your financial health. From the moment you start earning an income, taxes are deducted from your paycheck, and it's essential to know how to navigate the system. In this video, we'll explore practical tax tips and financial advice that will help you make the most of your hard-earned money. So let's dive in and discover how to optimize your tax strategy and achieve financial freedom. Imagine having more money in your pocket to invest, save, or enjoy the things you love. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your taxes and finances. But first, let's talk about the basics of tax deductions. Tax deductions are expenses that you can claim on your tax return to reduce your taxable income. These deductions can be categorized into two main types: standard deductions and itemized deductions. Standard deductions are fixed amounts that you can claim without having to itemize your expenses.
Itemized deductions, on the other hand, involve claiming specific expenses, such as charitable donations or mortgage interest.
Now, identify areas where you can. Let's talk about the optimize your tax importance of strategy, keeping track of your expenses.
Maintaining a record of your expenses can help you identify areas where you can optimize your tax strategy.
For example, if you're self-employed, keeping track of your business expenses can help you claim deductions on your tax return. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that some expenses can be claimed as tax credits rather than deductions? Tax credits are dollar-for-dollar reductions in your tax liability, and they can be claimed for expenses such as education or childcare. However, to claim tax credits, you must meet specific eligibility requirements. For instance, to claim the Earned Income Tax Credit (EIC), you must have earned income and meet certain income and family size requirements. And then something unexpected happened. Did you know that you can also claim tax credits for expenses related to your home office? If you work from home, you can claim a tax credit for a portion of your rent or mortgage interest as a home office deduction.
But to claim this credit, you must meet specific requirements, such as using a dedicated space for your home office.
Now, keeping you accurate must meet specific records. Maintaining accurate records of your expenses and income can help you avoid audits and ensure that you're taking advantage of all the tax credits and deductions you're eligible for. In fact, did you know that the IRS requires you to keep records of your expenses for 3 years in case of an audit? But that's not all. Did you know that you can also use tax software to help you keep track of your expenses and prepare your tax return? Tax software can help you identify areas where you can optimize your tax strategy and ensure that you're taking advantage of all the tax credits and deductions you're eligible for. However, to use tax software effectively, you must understand how to input your data accurately and take advantage of the features and tools provided. For instance, did you know that some tax software allows you to import data from your bank accounts or credit cards? But that's not the only benefit. Did you know that tax software can also help you identify potential tax savings and provide personalized advice? Now, let's talk about the importance of seeking professional help. If you're unsure about how to navigate the tax system or need help with tax preparation, consider seeking the advice of a tax professional. Tax professionals can help you identify areas where you can optimize your tax strategy and ensure that you're taking advantage of all the tax credits and deductions you're eligible for. In fact, did you know that tax professionals can also help you avoid audits and ensure that you're in compliance with tax laws and regulations? But that's not all. Did you know that tax professionals can also provide personalized advice and guidance throughout the tax season? So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and optimize your tax strategy, consider seeking the advice of a tax professional. Now, let's talk about the benefits of tax planning. Tax planning involves reviewing your financial situation and creating a strategy to minimize your tax liability and maximize your tax savings. By planning ahead, you can avoid unexpected tax surprises and ensure that you're taking advantage of all the tax credits and deductions you're eligible for. In fact, did you know that tax planning can also help you achieve long-term financial goals, such as buying a home or starting a business? But that's not the only benefit. Did you know that tax planning can also help you reduce your financial stress and anxiety? Now, let's talk about the importance of staying informed. Staying informed about tax laws and regulations can help you navigate the tax system and ensure that you're taking advantage of all the tax credits and deductions you're eligible for. In fact, did you know that the IRS provides a wealth of information and resources to help you stay informed about tax laws and regulations? But that's not all. Did you know that you can also stay informed through tax professionals, tax software, and online resources? Now, let's talk about the final step in optimizing your tax strategy. The final step involves taking action and implementing the strategies and advice you've learned throughout this video. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and optimize your tax strategy, consider taking the following steps. First, review your financial situation and identify areas where you can optimize your tax strategy. Second, consider seeking the advice of a tax professional to help you navigate the tax system and ensure that you're taking advantage of all the tax credits and deductions you're eligible for. Third, use tax software to help you keep track of your expenses and prepare your tax return. And finally, stay informed about tax laws and regulations to ensure that you're always taking advantage of the best tax strategies and advice. By following these steps, you can optimize your tax strategy and achieve financial freedom. So, if you found this video informative and helpful, subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. And don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts and questions about tax optimization. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.